Tashtile Tamalo, Consacho Conlo, Kejuketu, Pevenimodla, Peranze Loctusobekune, Tashtile Tangmeyu. De la part de toute l'équipe de SFT France, nous souhaitons un très joyeux anniversaire à sa sainteté le 14e Dalai Lama.
Tashtile, Guitunganila, Peranze Loctusobangene, Sabi Tashtile Shuye.
Hello, on behalf of Students for Free Tibet India, we wish Your Holiness a happy and healthy 86th birthday.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
Tashtile, Yemila Trindo Jisayu, Matanda, Nihon Peranga Lukrusoba Genzi Chenikeyo, Nye, Nihon Peranga Lukrusoba Subshute, Gawekunde, Jushiba Chimbo Cho, Onda Getula Pepe, Gui Tungala, Samdi Tashtile Shu.
Tungar Latashadele, wishing His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama a happy 86th birthday. I think it comes from me and from young people and from Tibetans around the world that you give us hope and inspiration, and you make us realize that with compassion and determination we can make the world into a truly better place. Whether it's freedom and democracy and human rights, whether it's kindness to our neighbors and our friends, or climate change, thank you, His Holiness, for leading the way and helping us into becoming a better generation and a better society.
Hi, my name is Cameron. I'm one of the student interns of Students for a Free Tibet. I just want to say a very happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and I want to thank him for all the work that you've done over the years.
On behalf of the staff of Students for Free Tibet International, we would like to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a very happy, healthy, and prosperous 86th birthday. Thank you for being such an incredible leader, spiritual guide, and visionary for millions around the world. Tuchanam.